Alvin for short. Today we're gonna learn about 10 ways how to take care of the computer. First, place the computer in a cool and dry place. Number 2, keep your hands clean before using the computer. Number 3, keep food and drink away from the laptop or computer. Number 4, keep the computer clean or laptop. Number 5, avoid placing things on top of your computer. Number 6, do not play or it might damage the computer. Number 7, close unused programs. Number 8, be careful with what you download or it might damage your files and hard drive. Number 9, shut down your computer properly. Last one, number 10. Number 10, always handle your computer with care. Bye!